Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the Veepeak OBDCheck BLE Bluetooth 4.0 OBD2 scanner. If you're tired of constantly running to the mechanic every time your check engine light comes on, then this is the tool for you. With the ability to read and erase engine diagnostic trouble codes, view freeze frame data, IM readiness, and real-time sensor readings, you'll have all the information you need to keep your car running smoothly. But that's not all. With extensive third-party OBD apps available on the App Store and Google Play, you can unlock advanced features like enhanced diagnostics, examine the battery in hybrid electric vehicles, and customize selected vehicles. The compatibility of this device is updated with support for more commands, optimized firmware, and reduced power consumption. And it's compatible with iOS via Bluetooth LE and Android devices via classic Bluetooth. This scanner is compatible with model year 1996 or newer cars and light trucks in the US and other OBD2 OBD compliant vehicles in other regions. And it's super practical, easy to plug in, unplug, and comes with a mini carrying case. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to costly trips to the mechanic and take control of your own car maintenance. Get your Veepeak OBDCheck BLE Bluetooth 4.0 OBD2 scanner today by clicking the link in the description. And for more detailed information and instructions, be sure to visit the Amazon product page. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car tech reviews. Thanks for watching and happy driving.